And yeah, I mean, they wanted these panels, and like if these panels, they might look better kind of lined up with this roof if I stretch them, you know, floor to ceiling and let them be nice and clean like this. And I'm just going to kind of cheat and just stretch the whole thing up like that. Doesn't matter for our purposes. Let me hide my ceiling again. All right, so now we got this here, and then I would maybe make another copy of it in position 1, like, you know, just to carry it through, maybe something like that, just to have that panel happening. And let's do this like that, and these guys are going to snap right there. And then we're going to scoot our wall back again. And, you know, there's a new feature in LayOut. It's this ability to, like, relink a viewport to a model. And I'm kind of curious if this is exactly the use case that I'm about to do. So let's maybe take a look at it. All right. So I'm going to hop back into LayOut. And I'm just going to, let's just duplicate this whole page. All right, so we'll go to pages. And I guess I do have a handful of different, oh yeah, I did all these different plans in the last session we had. So right now, let's say I'm just going to name this option A. I'm going to hit this button and duplicate it. And this is going to be option B. All right. Now, I made a mistake. Option A. I'm just going to cut this, delete that. This is, I'm going to paste option A, duplicate option A, and name it option B. Okay, now this new feature I'm talking about is where I can relink a viewport, all right? So let me save this. This is option B, and I need to basically select all of these viewports because there's like maybe 3 or 4 viewports here, and I'm hoping I can relink all of them to a new SketchUp model at the same time. I see render model. Let's see if I just right click on one, see I can relink. Well, here's a way to do it. You can kind of scoot these guys all around like this, you know, and then we'll like realign all of them after the fact. All right, so right click, relink SketchUp. Sorry, right click, relink model reference. And this time we're going to go with option B. So we should see some things jump around here. And let's see if this works out. I haven't used this feature yet, so I'm guessing it's a corner case as far as features go if I haven't used it. So looks like it worked, relink. So I'm just going to relink to option B. And relink model reference, option B. And then relink model reference, option B. All right, then Control H is my shortcut in here. I'm going to select them all. And it looks like I do have 5 of them. Which one did I miss? I'm going to hit align left, align top. All right, so my plan comes back together. It looks like my furniture maybe. So let me just check this. Yeah, let me relink model reference. No, the furniture came in, sorry. Everything looks good. My panels are being covered by my 2D graphic, which is problematic. So I might go in here and just, like, you can see that my 2D graphic has a surface. So to select all my surfaces, check this trick out. I'm going to go to View, Edge Style, and turn my edges off. And then I'm going to use my Select tool. And then I can go to View, Edge Style, turn my edges back on, and then just delete it. Save it. Hop back into LayOut, and we'll update our model reference. And now we should be able to see through. Yeah, there we go. You can see how fast this goes. I mean, SketchUp and LayOut, super lightweight program. Love it. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, LayOut, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.